Hello everyone, welcome back to Momax Marble's YouTube channel. I'm Salvador and today we're going to tackle some common myths and misconceptions about stone countertop care and maintenance. Taking care of the stone countertops is essential, but there's a lot of misinformation out there. Let's debunk these myths and get down to the facts. First things first, myth number one is stone countertops are indestructible, so I don't need to worry about them. This couldn't be further from the truth. While stone countertops are incredibly durable, they are not indestructible. They can be chipped, they can be cracked, especially if subjected to heavy impact. Always use cutting boards, trivets to protect your countertops from scratches and heat. So myth number two, I can clean my stone countertop with any household cleaner. Not quite. Harsh or acidic cleaners can damage the sealant on the stone countertop, making it more susceptible to stains. Stick to pH neutral stone specific cleaners or simply use warm water and mild soap for everyday cleaning. Myth numero tres. Sealing my stone countertop once is enough. Sealing is crucial, but it's not a one-time thing. Over time, the sealant wears off, leaving your countertop vulnerable to stains. Make sure to reseal your countertop as recommended by the manufacturer. Usually every 2 to 3 years is what Momax Marble would recommend on lighter granite. However, they are not all the same, so you may want to check in with your fabricator. Different colors do require to be sealed a little bit more often, a little bit less, depending on what type of material you are going with. Myth number four, all stones are the same, so maintenance is universal. There are different types of stones that we offer. Not only do we sell granite or quartz, there are different stones. Soapstone, for example, is one that is very unique. Marble is also very unique, and they have unique properties and require specific care. Granite, marble, quartz, they all have different maintenance needs. It's essential to know what type of stone you have and follow the care instructions. For example, yes, as you've seen on our previous videos, we recommend to seal lighter color granites every 2 to 3 years and darker colors every 4 to 5 years. And granites due to their density. However, some of these stones, for example, again, like soapstone, is extremely dense, doesn't require to be sealed. A thing that's very popular with soapstone, for example, is putting oil, mineral oil. That's one thing that you do need to apply basically every other day. It darkens your material. As you can see, it kind of changes the color. When it's not wet, it kind of looks a little bit more dull. So that is a maintenance that does have to be used every so often. Materials that have more pores, like travertine, limestone, and marble, do require to be sealed a lot more often than your granites. And next up is myth number five. Stains on stone countertops are impossible to remove. Actually, most stains can be removed with the right techniques. For organic stains like coffee or wine, a poultice made out of baking soda and water can often do the trick. For oil-based stains, use a mixture of acetone and baking soda. Just remember, act quickly and don't let the stains sit. Look back at some of our previous videos. Me and my coworker Lorna, we kind of discussed how to use some of those products. There you have it, folks. We've debunked some of the most common myths about stone countertop care and maintenance. Remember, understanding the facts about your countertop will keep it looking beautiful for years to come. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give us a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and don't forget to give us a rock solid like on Facebook, YouTube, Instagram, and subscribe for more tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.